Hi, I'm Ty with Total Finishing Solutions. I'm here with Cole Stevens from Lentz Machinery, one of our vendor partners. We're at the IWF 2024 show. We're going to take this opportunity to make a special video for our potential customer, Selkirk Sport. We're going to show you guys how the controls work, what's in the system. We're going to show you how to make a program using the operator repeat, how to make a second program, and then change between the two programs, and how simple and easy that is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll find it very educational. Thank you.
All right, we'll start off by powering up the robot. First, your main power switch is turned on. That'll boot the full system as well as the PC.
While it's booting up, let's just go ahead and show what's inside.
Internal cabinet components, major electronic suppliers, Schneider. Then we have an industrial PC instead of a PLC. This gives us full control online and offline of the robot with Wi-Fi connectivity or a hardwired or internet connection. This, you see the main screen of the Windows-based PC. The robot software will boot up automatically and load. In normal circumstances, from this point, we would run ATEX cycle for the explosion proof of the robot cabinet. For the show, we have this turned off for ease of use. From this point, with the robot, you would select your program from any of your programs listed here. Select program would load it. So for this solution, we have 2 stations. That's why they're numbered 1 and 2. Now that program is loaded and ready to run on the robot. For training, make sure power's off to the robot. You're logged in as the operator.
So it is password protected. You can't get into anything as an operator or a level of service unless you've authorized it.
Correct. Turn the key to activate teaching. Press the button. You have a yellow light indicator that the teaching mode is active. From there, you move to the robot's location. Joystick is attached for teaching and attached to the base of the robot.
All right, so we're going to show you the controls on the joystick. This is just to lock the joystick into place. This is similar automatic under what we would be using. The red button is what locks the robot so that I can begin to use it or unlock it. The green button is record. The black button under here is the spray trigger. And the blue button is going to be my part rotation that tells me to go ahead and tell the system to rotate the part. So I'll make the program now. I'm going to unlock it. So I've got a lot of range of maneuverability, so you can see. Now I'm going to hit the green button, and that will tell me when to record. So I'm going to hit record. I'm going to come up and use the top button. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate the part. I'm simply holding the blue button. Part's been rotated. I'm going to come back. I'm done. I'm going to stop recording by hitting the green button, red button to lock it, and we're done. That's all there was to it. Now you're going to take off the teach pennant. We're going to unplug it. We put this away. We're going to come back around and the computer is going to prompt us to save that program by simply giving it a name.
Okay. And after the program is done with the robot, you come here to the screen and you'll be cued to save it.
Save it as Selkirk.
If it's a good program, you'll name it.
Selkirk 1.
Select Selkirk 1. Load program. See it loading. Now it's an active program. You hit power to give power to the robot. Make sure it's out of teach mode. And then start. With this app,
on green.
yeah,
The indicator.
indicates power to the robot. With this application of the show, we have a 2-station scenario. So we'll do the chair first, and then it'll go to the program you just saw Ty create. This chair program is also an operator repeat program. Yeah, that's fine. Now it's moving to Ty's program on the paddle. Additionally, with these operator repeat programs, you can speed up the program up to 40%. And with the parameters control box, you can control fan flow and atomization. From the main page, you have several other tabs up here. In the manual page, you can manually jog each independent axis of the robot and the rotation devices. This is where you could also home the robot, home the rotation device. If you have a carriage, that as well. Also, a couple of features here is start gun washing. So that would be to purge your system. That is also programmable in the robot by positioning the robot where you want to purge and then locking that in. Brushing is the same way. Depending on your solution, you'll either have a pedestal brush or an attached brushing station to clean the tip of your brush. And with that, you can determine how many programs or how many paddles you clean or finish before you clean the brush. And also service position, just brings the robot back to a different home position. Alarm screen, all active alarms will appear up here. Warnings will appear down here. Programs will give you an overview of all your programs. You can rename, delete, duplicate, or create a sequence. The reports are all your inputs and outputs that are active currently. Statistics give you daily production log. That's something that would be very valuable to keep track of. And then parameters. Parameters, especially with rotation devices, you can change how you rotate, either 180 degrees continuously or 90 degrees. You can also from here control your system's flow, fan, and atomization and what percentage you want to do there. Down here is all about brushing, how long you want to brush forward and backward, number of cycles between brushes, and nozzle blow time. That means you can spray some of your fluid through the nozzle as you're cleaning, or you can set it to 0 and not do so.
All right. That should let you see what it's all about as far as how easy it is to make a program, save it, and then using the screen to just toggle between programs. So you could have a program for each one of your paddle types. And this can also be linked to like a barcode scanner or RFID to automatically, as the product's coming down the line, get switched in the program as well. So you don't even have to go in and touch that. Hopefully that's helpful for you so you can see how quick and easy that is. We hope to earn your business. Thanks for watching Total Finishing Solutions. Thank you.